Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can get an iOS keyboard on REALME 8. So first, go to Google Play Store and start looking for iPhone keyboard. Okay, now tap on New OS 11 keyboard theme and install it. Let me just simply skip this part. Okay, now wait for the application to install and open it. Now we have to install another application from the Google Play Store. It's called Emoji Keyboard. Simply install it. Wait for a short while. Now we can go back. Wait for it to load. There is going to be an advertisement, I believe. Yeah. Simply skip it. Now tap on apply. There's another advertisement. Enable emoji keyboard. Emoji keyboard activate. Now go back and select emoji keyboard. Great. Now there's an X in the top right corner. Tap on it. And now, as you can see, we have got this cool iPhone keyboard on our REALME 8. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.